Agriculture Vastu or Vastu for agricultural farmland to ensure prosperity in farming. Agriculture and farming have long been the backbone of human civilization, and it's a field where the ancient science of Vastu Shastra can make a significant difference. While we often think of Vastu in terms of homes and offices, its principles apply just as powerfully to agricultural land. By aligning your farmland with Vastu, you can create harmony between natural and cosmic energies, which can lead to increased crop yields, fertile soil, and overall prosperity. Implementing Vastu principles on your farm can help you achieve several key benefits. It's a way to not only protect yourself from financial losses but also to promote an abundant and harmonious environment. For farmers and landowners, Vastu can be a valuable tool for ensuring success and growth. Let's explore some of the most important Vastu guidelines for agricultural land. The shape of your land is a crucial factor. Square or rectangular plots are considered the most auspicious. These shapes are believed to promote balance and stability, helping to prevent the wastage of resources. Conversely, irregularly shaped plots may be less ideal and can lead to imbalances. The entrance to your farmland also plays a significant role in Vastu. Generally, east or north-facing entrances are considered the most favorable. These directions are associated with positive energy and growth. However, depending on the farmer's horoscope and zodiac sign, a Vastu expert might recommend an entrance facing south or west for specific benefits. When it comes to borewells and other water bodies, the northeast direction is the most beneficial. This area is considered sacred and is ideal for placing ponds, borewells, or any other source of irrigation. It's crucial to avoid placing water bodies in the southwest, as this is believed to cause significant financial losses. The placement of trees on your land is another important Vastu consideration. Tall trees like neem, mango, or tamarind should be planted in the south and west to provide protection and stability. You should avoid planting large trees in the north or east, as they can block the flow of positive energy into the land. For storage areas and cattle sheds, the best place is the southwest zone of the land. This direction is associated with stability and wealth. Keeping the northeast open and clear is also essential to ensure a smooth flow of prosperity and cosmic energy. Finally, the slope of the land matters. Farmland that slopes gently towards the northeast is considered highly beneficial for promoting growth and abundance. This slope allows for the natural flow of energy and water, which is essential for healthy crops. Our Astro Puja professional Vastu consultation services can help you apply these principles to your specific property with the below techniques. Analyze the shape, slope, and orientation of your land. Survey the placement of water bodies, entrances, and trees. Match these Vastu principles with the owner's horoscope and Rashi. Provide personalized remedies and corrections to ensure you get the maximum yield and prosperity from your land. By following these Vastu principles, you can create a more harmonious and prosperous environment for your agricultural farming. Is Vastu applicable for agricultural land? Yes, Vastu Shastra for farmland enhances soil fertility, water flow, and crop productivity. Where should a borewell be dug? The northeast is the most auspicious location for borewells and water bodies. Which direction is best for the entrance of farmland? East and north are generally auspicious, but south or west entrances may suit certain rashis. Can Vastu remedies work on irregular or non-compliant lands? Yes, remedies and corrections can harmonize negative energies. At Astro Puja, we provide expert Vastu consultation for agricultural lands in these regional languages: Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, and English. Our consultants guide you with detailed Vastu reports, remedies, and layout planning for water bodies, plantation, and entrance design. We also offer online agriculture Vastu services. Distance is no barrier. With Astro Puja online Vastu consultations, you can connect with our expert Astro Vastu consultants via video calls, satellite maps and land layouts, digital Vastu reports. Whether you are in India or abroad, our experts provide personalized Vastu guidance for farmland, ensuring success and prosperity in cultivation. Why choose Astro Puja for agriculture Vastu? We provide expert Astro Vastu consultants with years of experience. Personalized Vastu remedies based on land and horoscope. Guidance in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, and Hindi. Online and in-person consultations. Special focus on water placement, plantation, and farm entrance Vastu. By applying agriculture Vastu principles, you align your farmland with cosmic and natural energies, ensuring abundant harvests, prosperity for landowners, long-term farming success. Book your agriculture Vastu consultation with Astro Puja today and transform your farmland into a source of growth, abundance and prosperity.
Astropuja.com is your one-stop destination for authentic Vedic astrology services and personalized Hindu pujas, homas and other sevas at major Punya Kshetras. We are deeply rooted in the ancient wisdom of Vedic astrology and the time-honored traditions of Hindu rituals. Call our support team on +91 804 728 0123 or +91 815 100 2255.